Here we are at the start of a new year, a time for resolutions, fresh goals, and for many, a focus on getting organized. January is even known as Go Month or Get Organized Month. But let me ask you, why do we want to get organized? Especially when it comes to your photos. It's often because we can't find that one picture we're looking for. Sound familiar? But what if organizing your photos was about more than just tidiness? What if it was about peace of mind, family connections, and creating a lasting legacy? Dr. Kenneth Condrell, a child psychologist and family counselor, once said, "Keeping photographs around the house is a form of validation for children. It lets them know that they matter and are loved." Think about that. Photos on your walls are more than just decorations. They're deposits into your family's love bank. They spark conversations, remind us of our best moments, and connect us to our loved ones every single day. For me, this journey started with my boys' LifeBooks, albums telling their stories from birth through adoption to life in our family. These books are more than keepsakes. They're part of who they are. In fact, I know a relationship is serious when one of my sons pulls off his life books and shows it to a friend, or especially a girlfriend. What resonates most with you? Is it preserving memories, strengthening family bonds, or sharing your story with future generations? Let's make January the month we get going. Together, we can turn your photo chaos into a collection that brings peace of mind, fosters family connections, and creates a lasting legacy. Share your why in the comments below. I'd love to talk with you about how you can get from where you are currently to enjoying your photos and their stories with your family now and for future generations. Let's make January the month we get going.